Alright everybody, so today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Revell Snaptite 2003 for Thunderbird. This is a Snaptite kit. I found this at half price books for $7. If it focuses, I can prove that to you, but for some reason I don't want to focus. Alright, whatever. So, this is looks like a super easy kit. It's a Snaptite curbside kit. Not a lot of parts in it here, so we'll just look real quickly here at what comes in this box. So it's got a nice picture of the car here. Looks pretty cool. Side, typical Revell. 42 pieces, like I said. Not a lot going on there. Cover picture again. A couple pictures of the model there. So it says no glue required, but you know there's going to be parts where there's glue required. Alright, so I already had the box open. All the parts are washed. So we'll just pull the parts out one by one and show you what the trees look like. So I'll get that out of the way. Alright. So here, buddy, is the body itself. I'll keep this over here. I guess I got a red thing there. Body looks very, very nice. I love the lines on it. This is not one of my favorite cars of all time, but I gotta tell you, the model is looking really sharp. Nice thick plastic, not too thick. So put a coat of primer on it, sand it down, and paint it a color. Should be okay. Get that out of the way here. This tree here has the rear view mirrors, side mirrors, and the convertible boot there. So that should be cool. Put all that together. Over here we have the bottom chassis of the car. Like I said, it is a curbside, so we're not looking at very much here. So, you know, paint that up real nice on the bottom, make it look pretty decent. Like I said, looks clear, looks crisp. Nicely detailed. Very nice. Alright, what do we got here now? Interior. Here's an interior. Here's the copyright stuff. You know, my camera doesn't want to focus on the little... There you go, 2002. Revell monogram. So, that's your interior tub. And then it's got, like, here's all the points here where it snaps together. The seats, that's the seat backing. Presuming this next tree probably... Oh, yep, there it is. The seats... Stick shift. Those are nice looking seats, aren't they? Do a multicolor real nice on that. What's these? The doors. This is just begging to be multicolored, this interior. There's the dashboard here. What we got going on here? Alright, that looks cool. Not focusing too well. I can focus this. There we go. Taking a while there for it to focus. A lot of little knobs, but newer cars have a lot of little knobs, button, and computer things on them. I don't really care for it, but it is the way it is. Here's some wheels. The front grille, give that a black wash. Wheels look nice. There's a instruction booklet. We'll go back to that in a second. Here's some clear parts, some red clear parts. And the lights. I don't know why the camera does not want to focus here. Alright, we'll go to that one. Decals are not decals, they're just stickers. So this, I'm not using at all. I may put the dashboard one on there. Focus. There, I may put the dashboard one on there, but why is that not focusing? I apologize for this. This is not focusing at all. Yeah, so me use that. Definitely not using any of that other stuff there. Put that over there. Here's some windows. Very nice. Here's the front window frame here that goes on around the car. I noticed this here is kind of cracked here in the corner. That's okay. We'll put a little glue on that, and actually it looks like the way the window fits in, it may actually hold that in place there. So that's okay. I'm going to buy an open box used. Here is axles, metal axles and screws, because the screws together, it's a Snaptite. Over there, and tires. Little thin tires. Does not look like there's any branding on the tires. I may be wrong. It may look like it says something on the tire there. Okay, and we lost focus again. Look at that. Wow. Great focusing on this camera. Put it over here, maybe it'll focus. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What a camera. What a camera. There. Oh, no. We lost it again. So anyways, easy parts here in the instruction booklet here. Instructions show this is super simple. You just open it up. If I could fold it open, I can't get it open. So this just folds out. Typical roof fold here. Instructions. Boom, bada, ding, ding. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, at least this is focusing. Check that out. All right. There's your parts that I just showed you. And finish car if we put the stickers on. So this should be a really easy build. What I plan on doing with this is picking a color out of my spear color parts here. You know, leftover spray can stuff here, and doing it that color. And then the interior, I plan on doing it black with those colors, or that color I should say, as accents. So that should look pretty cool. And it should be a pretty quick build. This one looks like, dropped it. This one looks like it should be pretty fun. As I'm putting everything back in the box. As I'm showing you one last time. Here's the dog again, because every time I film a video, she's got to climb on me. Hey, look at the camera. How you doing? Alright. You good girl? Okay, there's the dog. And like I said, all these parts look real nice, nicely detailed. There's no reason why this should not be a very nice build. As the dog gives it a quick lick. I'm going to have to wipe that down again. No reason why this should not be a very quick and a very nice build. So here's your 2003 Revell Ford Thunderbird Snaptite. Dog is looking at my arm. Ford Snaptite. Quick video of a quick unboxing. So stay tuned, because eventually you'll see this one built up. And hopefully it comes out real nice. So here's a 7-minute video of the unboxing of the 2003 Ford Thunderbird, like I just said. Say goodbye to everybody, dog. Oh, no, you turn your way. Look. There you go. Alright. Bye. Alright, everybody. Take care of yourselves.